Hi guys, this is Ivy with WTI, and if you're like me and you're looking for any way to get rid of your dark spots or blemishes on your skin, well, I have the perfect thing for you. I've been able to do that thanks to the Brightening Tranexamic Acid Serum. This serum is great for so many reasons. For starters, I love that it is formulated for all skin types. As someone who has combination and normal skin, this serum is ideal for me. I love that it also targets all of my dark spots and blemishes. The formula is super thick, so a little goes a long way. It also helps with moisturizing my skin in those areas that need a little extra help. And because the serum is so thick, a little goes a long way, so the bottle can last you for a really long time. After having used this serum for some time, I have noticed that my skin is a lot brighter and it glows a lot more, and I think it also has something to do with the vitamin C, which is a primal ingredient in this specific serum, and that's what gives it that beautiful, dewy, glowy look. I honestly love this serum. I love all the benefits that it has for my skin wellness, and I've noticed a significant difference ever since I started to use it. But that is just my point of view.